Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the PXN keyboard and mouse adapter converter. This is for PS3, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. Comes with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and supports game voice, custom reset button function, and breathing light effect. So this is the box here. Let's take off the lid, shall we? Okay. Well, there's that. It looks kind of cool. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So it's a pretty tiny little device here. Probably 3 inches by 3 inches. It's got a nice, soft, like rubbery grip here on the bottom. This is PXN on that. Let's see if I can get the lighting there. Okay, and these are supposed to be like kind of RGB, like mood lightings on top too. Supposed to like breathing light effects, so that's kind of cool. So on one side we got some USBs. One is like marked with keyboard. We got 3 USBs and a headset jack here. One's like gaming, the game controller. One's mouse and keyboard. And in the back we have a I want to say it's USB-C plug in here. Input 5 volt 350 megamet on the back right here. So that is that. It's a pretty small little device here. It's not very heavy. It seems to be well built. Might even be, I'm not even sure what this material on top is. Maybe it's plastic. It looks like kind of like a metallic feel to it, but it's pretty cool. Got a little bit of weight to it. All right, so what else is in the box? There's a little bit of packaging. Okay, nice. So here is an audio cable adapter, 3.5 millimeter, and then your 2 other ones, I believe. Yeah. Comes with, okay, here's the USB-C and a USB cord. This looks like a pretty long one here. Seems like a pretty heavy duty one. This is a PXN one. Check out how long this one is actually. So I will be doing a review and demonstration of this product on the Xbox One. A lot of people are doing mouse and keyboard now instead of paddle. It just helps with your reaction time. This is almost a 7-foot cable here, I'd say, so that's pretty cool. It's a nice little, a good distance on that. So there is that. Yeah, controllers are, I know people with mouse and keyboard just seem to be better than people with controllers, just the dynamics of it or whatever. Just more control. Interactive audio communication. So this is a good sized instruction manual. This comes in, looks like Chinese and in English, and has a little user manual on how to set it up. So I guess you do, if you're playing with the Xbox One, you do need a original Xbox One controller as well as one of the cords. So I'm thinking this one might work. I'll have to read up on a little bit, and when I do the review and demonstration, show you guys about that, I'll be doing that. So when I finish that video, I'll put the link in the description below if you guys are watching this and you want to check that out. That's cool. This runs about $25 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below as well too if you guys want to check it out. So I'm pretty excited to test this thing out, get it rolling here. So thanks for watching this video, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.